Alrighty, let's have some split hand fun for today's warm-up. So we're going to begin with a single stroke beat here on the ding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then mimic that groove, except we're going to split hand on each side of the handpan. Just like so. Put that together. Let's go. Keeping everything nice and even. Let's get these hands warmed up.
Let's go up the scale.
back down. Really make sure that both notes are getting the same volume, and pay attention to how your dominant and non-dominant hand are interacting. Alright, back to our original version. Okay, so this next time round, we're going to do what we just did, 2 notes together, up and down the scale. We'll start just in one place first, but we're going to do it in double time. Are you ready? It looks like this. Nice. And the count would be this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a. Nice. Let's go up the scale. Ready? Next 2 notes. Gets trickier up top. I don't know what that was at the end there. Hopefully your hands are feeling nice and warm after that. You can also do the same thing again, but muting. A little bit more effort there. That's a really good one to get in the practice of, because what that's going to do is it's going to really strengthen these fingers, right? If you do this over and over again, give you more dexterity, more stamina, so that whenever you do want to introduce little rolls or whatever, you've got the strength there and you're not going to kind of wimp out halfway through a little film or whatever it is. So enjoy that, enjoy the rest of your practice, and I hope to see you in another video soon.